can't all be in one spot though.
We pick weeds every year in our backyard. You get to hear the sun and like see
A picture, or you can do both. And as soon as you're done, I want you to take your notebooks and your pen, and we're gonna go out onto those rugs out there, those blankets. We are super excited. We have 8 weeks, and Julia Chambers from A Few and myself are both teaching. I'm focusing on nutrition, and she's focusing on nature and art and garden exploration. So today we're exploring our senses. So what does food taste like, smell like, feel like, and why do we like the food that we eat? So it's been a lot of fun. We are focusing this year on youth ages 7 to 11, and we have them broken up into 2 groups. We kind of group them by age, and we're trying to focus more on comprehensive programming throughout the summer so that they can actually spend more time working in the garden, and they have an opportunity to care for some of the beds, harvest some of the produce, and also then we donate it to Lakeshore Food Club, or ultimately at the end they may be able to take some of the produce home to try. Today they go out right away and kind of explore what's going on in the garden, and so we found some eggs on some leaves today. Some things are starting to blossom and grow some, the flowering and fruit part of them are starting to change. So it's just exciting because they find different things every time they come out.
Yes, hello. Okay, let's see.
You get wild. I find it
Get wild carrots?
in the same camp. In the same two camps. Tomatoes?
They look very similar to tomatoes.
Peppers.
No?